Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Figma on Windows 11. First of all, we will download Figma desktop app. Open Google Chrome. I am using Google Chrome, you can use any web browser. Type here in Google search bar. Download Figma. Press enter. Click on Figma official website link www.figma.com. Click on pricing. Let's scroll down. Click allow all cookies. There are introduce 4 plan: starter, professional, organization, enterprise. In this video demonstration I will choose starter plan. Click on select plan. You must have a valid Figma account. If you do not have one, you can also create a new account. Or you can also log in through Gmail ID. Now I am log on as Gmail ID. Click continue with Google. Sign in as Gmail ID. Click next. Now the Figma interface log on successfully through Gmail ID. Now I am going to download Figma desktop application. Go to account profile. Click get desktop app. Now the downloading is started. It is 114 MB setup. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Double-click on this PC. Click Downloads. Here it is downloaded Figma setup. Let's right-click on it. Click Open. Close Download console. Click Allow all cookies. Sign into Figma. Login with browser. Let's click on it. Select Google Chrome. Click OK. Click Open the desktop app. Click Open Figma. Now the Figma interface is open. Close Figma desktop application. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install Figma desktop app on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.